Picture waking up without the pressures of a 9-to-5 grind. You're free to spend your day on things that truly matter: traveling, pursuing hobbies, or just spending quality time with loved ones. Combining minimalism with targeted investing can pave the way to financial freedom. Today, I'll break down each step with practical actions you can start taking immediately. Minimalism is more than decluttering. It's about freeing yourself from financial burdens. Imagine simplifying your lifestyle so that every dollar saved fuels your path to early retirement. With fewer needs, you'll depend less on a paycheck, accelerating your financial independence journey. Together, let's explore how minimalist habits can powerfully amplify your investment strategy. A minimalist budget is foundational for early retirement. Start by tracking your monthly expenses and separating needs from wants. Essentials could include housing, utilities, and groceries, while wants might be dining out or streaming subscriptions. Try using a modified 40-10-50. Rule: 40% for essentials, 10% for discretionary spending, and 50% for investing. Automate your savings so that each paycheck allocates funds directly to investment accounts. This consistency makes a massive difference over time. The goal is to make every dollar count toward your future freedom. Investing is where the magic of compounding happens. Low-cost index funds and ETFs are ideal for beginners because they offer broad exposure to the market at minimal cost. For example, S&P 500 index funds spread your investment across hundreds of companies, helping reduce risk while building returns. Pay attention to expense ratios, or the percentage of assets charged annually by the fund. A lower expense ratio, ideally below 0.5%, means more of your money compounds over time. If you have an employer plan, take advantage of any matching. It's essentially free money and an instant boost to your investment journey. Real estate is, well, a popular path for generating passive income. And for beginners, house hacking can be a transformative way to enter real estate. Imagine buying a duplex, living in one unit, and renting out the other to cover a large part of your mortgage. This strategy lowers your living costs while building equity. If owning property isn't feasible, REITs, real estate investment trusts, offer a hands-off approach to real estate. By buying shares, you invest in commercial properties and earn dividends without the responsibility of direct property management. It's a scalable way to build passive income with minimal hassle. Geo-arbitrage, or moving to a lower-cost area, can drastically cut living expenses and help you save more without sacrificing quality. Relocating to a lower-cost area can be life-changing, but if that's not an option, embrace high-impact frugality. Meal prepping alone can save you hundreds each month by reducing takeout costs and minimizing waste. Review subscriptions, and if you don't use them regularly, consider canceling or switching to cheaper alternatives. When it comes to clothes or furniture, second-hand stores often offer quality items at a fraction of retail prices. These small shifts add up and keep your lifestyle flexible and lean, leaving more for investing. If you have access to employer-sponsored retirement plans, take advantage of low-cost index funds within your 401k and a Roth IRA for tax-free growth. Additionally, consider side hustles or small freelancing jobs for extra income. Early retirement can be incredibly liberating, but it also challenges your sense of identity and purpose. Without a daily work structure, you'll need to cultivate a fulfilling routine. Imagine how you want to spend your time: learning new skills, pursuing hobbies, or contributing to the community. Creating a vision board or journaling about your goals can anchor you during times of doubt. Remember, others may not understand your journey, but it's about what brings you fulfillment, not societal expectations. Starting a small business, even a side business, opens up huge tax benefits and credit-building opportunities. Forming an LLC not only offers legal protection, but also unlocks powerful financial strategies. By registering as a business, you can deduct qualifying expenses like travel, office supplies, or part of your home expenses if you work remotely. Building business credit is key to accessing additional financial flexibility. Start by opening a business bank account and securing a business credit card. Responsible use of these accounts builds a positive credit profile that can help you access loans or lines of credit for future investments, giving you even more flexibility on your path to financial freedom. Business credit can provide a low-interest line for investments. Let's say you use a portion of a $20,000 business line of credit to invest in high-yield savings or a Roth IRA. The idea is to leverage this credit for returns that outpace any interest payments, essentially letting your money work smarter for you. High-yield business savings accounts grow your emergency fund while adding stability. Having reserves protects against downturns and keeps your business resilient without pulling from personal funds. By combining minimalism and financial wisdom, you're paving the way for a future free from financial stress. Every choice you make today, whether it's budgeting carefully, investing wisely, or starting a small business, brings you closer to the life you imagine. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on living freely and investing wisely. Let's keep the conversation going below. Share your journey, your goals, or even a question. Together, we can push toward a life of true freedom.